RB the Garden Nanny. Are you all tired of fruit flies? I am so tired of fruit flies. I was watching Gigi Naturals. She was doing a live, and when she was doing the live, she was talking about the fruit flies. And you know, I have tried several things. I always like to go to YouTube to see what works for a lot of people. And a lot of people are talking about the apple cider vinegar and putting it in a little piece of fruit or something like that to attract the fruit flies. And that has not worked for me. So I am going to share what has worked for me. And maybe you have this in your local hardware store as well. But it is this fruit fly trap. It looks like this. It's a little contraption. This lid, you take it off, you put the liquid in there. It comes with this little fruit fly tube liquid that you put in there, and you leave it alone. And the fruit flies, for some reason, they go into these little holes and they can't come out and they die. That's what we want. Now, this is supposed to be a 30-day thing. I don't know. I've never counted the days or whatever. I leave it there, and I am going to do a follow-up. So just keep watching this video. I will add follow-up to this video. So let's get started. To give an update on what this net bottle looks like. As you can see, there are plenty of nets that have collected in here. And the good thing is I just don't see them anymore. It's pretty gross, but it has worked for me. I'm gonna throw this out because it's pretty disgusting. Okay guys, that is the video for today. That is how I have been dealing with the fruit flies in my home. The little trap bottle that comes in the box, that can be used for something homemade. So if any of you have something that you know has been tried and true and tested and you know that it works, please put it down in the comment section, and I would love to try it so that I won't have to keep going back and buying the refills, because that's a pain. So thanks for watching.